think that 80% of you guys, the ones of you watching right now, 80% of you guys are butt ugly. That's what they think. See, 20% of men are getting all play. They're getting all the action on Tinder and Hinge. This has been proven statistically. And whoa, before you even get all tight about it and upset and women, it's unfair. No. We always know around here it's all problem solution, right? So instead of getting tight, ask yourself this question: what do those guys have that I don't? I'll give you a great example. They got great facial structure. You might not. Whether it's on dating apps or in real life, you just can't hide your face. If it's on dating apps, you can't be the dude that the first profile picture is with 5 other dudes, because she'll automatically know you're the ugliest dude of the bunch. Happens with girls too. When you see a girl with a pic of 3 other girls, she's probably the ugly chick. And then when it comes to person, again, you can't hide it, right? That's the first thing they'll see over everything else. So, if you don't have a good face structure, these are the 4 things you need to do right now, or you're selling yourself short. 1, lower your body fat. If you're chubby, if you're fat, that should be your main priority. Don't stop hating women. Start hating all that extra weight you got on yourself and hit that gym. Once you lose weight, that bone structure will naturally start revealing itself. Number 2, grow a beard. Grow a beard. I don't care if you can't grow one, grow one. I've done videos on this stuff. I used to not be able to grow a beard. There are things that you can do, scientifically proven, and I showed you this, that will help you grow a beard. This thing right here will instant game changer for your face. Number 3, reduce the sodium intake. Once you start cutting out the extra body fat, I want you to cut out the extra sodium. Not only for your health, extra salt in your system just absorbs and retains water, which makes you look bloated. Again, you're looking for bone structure, so you want to reduce some of that bloatiness effect, which rolls us to number 4. I want you to start mewing. Mewing is simple. See, instead of breathing from your mouth, I want you to force yourself to breathe from your nose and push your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Look at that before and after. You do those 4 things, you bring out that bone structure. 2, they got good hobbies you don't. See, those men, they have interests outside of just women. You don't. You just go to work and go home, or go to school and go home. You have no hobbies, no extra saucy. When you have extra hobbies, it does 2 things. 1, it makes you a more interesting person, more diverse, so you can easily connect with other people because you can relate, which allows you to meet new girls that already fall into one of those hobbies, so starting conversations with them is an ease. The second thing it does is when you have so many hobbies, right? You do martial arts, you go to the gym, maybe you cycle, you're a marathon runner, you like playing chess, you have all these hobbies that you like to do. Not only are you growing as a person, right? You go to the book club, you go to the library, you do all this other stuff. Not only are you growing as a person, you're also growing your network of girls. See, in every single social group, you're connecting with the girls in there, because again, right, tip number 1. But the second part is, because you're so well connected, you remove your neediness, right? Now you're talking to so many girls and you're acting like the 20% of dudes that have options. You're no longer part of the 80% that's desperate. 3, you gotta improve the style. Look, again, after your face, the second thing girls will look at is how you dress yourself. And it's not so much that they're gonna look at the brands and how you put things together. It's more so of an overall package of how you're carrying yourself. When you understand clothing and how it should fit on the body, you just look good. They don't know why you look good, right? They don't know, oh man, that t-shirt just fits right. No, they just know that's a good looking guy. And they know that because you know your body best and you know what to put on your body to make it look more attractive. For example, we talked about bone structure, face structure. That should be the first area you should manipulate. We already know that when it comes to glasses, that is the easiest and best accessory a man can have. You should be wearing frames every single day of the week if your facial structure is not on point. See, frames are a perfectly structured and symmetrical item that goes on your face that gives the illusion of good bone structure. You do that with the other tips, bro, you're gonna be an absolute stud. You'll go from a 3 to a 6 no time. Yo, our brand Jade Black, everything's handmade in Italy, best designs in the world, but I'm gonna hook it up because I want you to wear frames every day of the week. So to do that, today only, for the next 24 hours, if you guys click the link down below, how can we do this? That's what we'll do. We'll do 2, 2, 2. I'll do 2 pairs of blue light glasses, 2 pairs of black frames, and 2 pairs of brown frames. It'll give you a 6 frame collection with every color palette you can think of. That way, you can use it with any type of outfit you have, whether it's formal, casual, whether you're indoors, outdoors, you have a pair of frames that make you look good. Now, our frames are already crazy inexpensive. Like they're as affordable as possible. But for the next 24 hours, I'm gonna give you a $150 rebate. I'm basically gifting you 3 pairs of glasses. Completely free for the next 24 hours for those dudes that want to look good every day of the week. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. You got to improve that social circle. Look, you are who you hang around with. We already fixed the girl situation, right? We talked about it in the hobbies. You're networking. You got to fix the guy situation. You got to move with guys that are like-minded. If you're still moving around with the same hometown high school bums that aren't doing anything with their life, you're gonna fall in the same trap. See, birds of a feather flock together. If they're bums, they're gonna pull you down to being a bum as well. So if you're building a business, if you're trying to better yourself, if you're trying to expand your hobbies, find other men that are like-minded, that are doing the same thing you're doing, which again, you're gonna stumble into when you are in these events. That's gonna level up your social circle. So now both the men and women in your surroundings are at a different level. Your income. You have to build up your career to build up the lifestyle that you want. That will add on to the effect of the man that you are building, and now you're entering the top 10%. When you can crack the income cheat code, in other words, you're able to enter that financial freedom on top of everything else that you worked on, bro, forget about it. Just don't lie about the height, bro. You gotta embrace whatever height you are. If you've built up this man, this image of a man, and you're just a G in every aspect of life, embrace your height. If you're not 6 feet, you're not 6 feet. It is what it is. But you are crushing it in every other aspect of life, and I promise you, you've cracked the top 20%. Most men don't get to that level because the work's too hard.